Incredibly, this tool is free. Paste in a list of words that you want to hear pronounced, click the button and listen to the audio.
Accommodation. Fragile.
Not only that, but you have the option of multiple languages. You can download the audio and control the speed of delivery. Keep in mind, it doesn't just work with a list of words or sentences. You can paste in whole text, choose your language, choose your voice, and listen to it. So let's get started, and I really hope you enjoy the video. So the tool is called LuvVoice, but notice how it's spelled LuvVoice, LuvVoice.com. Over 200 voices and 70 languages. I'm not even gonna log in. I'm just gonna scroll down to here, and I've already got some text that I was just testing. We'll clear that by clicking there, and I would simply write in a list of words, and let's do that. And then below that, I choose the language that I want to use, choose the voice, generate the audio. Let's do it. So I've written in some words in a list of words that I want to hear pronounced, and these are quite tricky ones because the stress changes. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to choose, for example, an English accent, and we'll choose Sonia. And then all I need to do is to click on generate. Verify that I'm human, and off we go. It'll take a few seconds to generate the actual audio, and then don't forget
accommodation, approximate, approximation, photo, photograph, exceptional.
Now, once you've got that list, and of course it could be a lot longer, notice the first really important thing is you can download that. So this is ideal for teachers as well as for language learners. And if you want to, something that I use a little bit, you can actually control the speed by clicking here and choosing the speed. Now, there's a lot more features I'm going to show you in this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button because it massively helps me. Keep in mind that when you generate those audio files, you could, for example, generate an audio file with an English accent, and then with the same list of words, generate an audio file with an Australian accent, and then perhaps with an Indian accent. So you've got 3 audio files. And then as an activity, which I suggested to my group on Patreon, we can then play those files in class with our students and see if the students can distinguish between the different accents. Now, keep in mind as well that this technology doesn't just simply work with a list of words. You could use this for complete text. Now, just to point out, when you scroll down here, keep in mind that we're working at the moment in English. But if you scroll through, you've got all these different English accents, you've got all these different Spanish accents, and the same with some other languages where you've got different variants. But look how many languages are also included. Now, I'm currently studying Polish, and I'm glad to say that it exists in Polish as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is clear the text, and I'm going to go over here and grab, for example, some text from my website. This is just a little bit of information about me, who I am and my background. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to paste that in. That's only 700 characters. Notice that you can have in one go up to 3,000 characters. Let's come down to here and choose a different accent. So notice we've got all these different varieties of English. Let's do Australian, and we'll do, for example, William. Remember, I have to generate the text first. So I click on this button here, and it always asks you to verify that you are human. And then hopefully in a while, and it will take a few seconds, it's going to generate the audio. Now, keep in mind that you can download that audio file. So let's just have a quick listen.
Russell Stannard is a multi-award-winning educational technologist and founder of www.teachertrainingvideos.com. He has more than 100,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel and a very active newsletter that he has been running since 2008.
So stopping that there. So how do we download? Well, really easy. Just click on this button here, and that will actually just download the audio file for you, and it's an MP3, so it's a very small audio file. Now keep in mind also that you can click here and you can change the playback speed. Now, let's say you just want it a little bit slower. You could click here and then choose a slower delivery, which particularly when you're pronouncing individual words can be very, very useful. Now, there's a couple of things worth understanding. I'm not even logged in. Now, I do actually have an account, and I think if you have an account, you can even paste in more text. You are limited this way of working to a maximum of 3,000 characters per piece of work. So you're not limited to how many exercises you do per day or how many texts you use, but each one must be a maximum of 3,000 texts. Now, I'm a great fan of getting my students to use this technology, both teaching them how to use it because it can be great for them to practice the pronunciation of words that they want to learn, whatever language they're learning. Remember, there are 70 languages, but also, for example, as a writing activity, you can get students to write, for example, a blog post, and then they can paste it into LuvVoice, choose an English accent that they want to generate the audio from, choose a voice and generate their own audio. Now, I'm a massive fan of listening and reading at the same time. And there is actually another tool that in some ways is slightly better than LuvVoice for doing this. If you haven't already got a text, you want to generate a text, but you want to generate text plus audio, I would highly recommend Ed Cafe because it's actually free. Again, it's a free tool. It's not so useful for pronunciation, but if you like to listen and read at the same time, it's an absolute brilliant tool. I'll put a link to a video on the screen now and you can access that. And don't forget, if you like what you see and you want to follow my work, then sign up to my newsletter. I'll also put a link in the description below. We've got around about 10,000 language teachers and language learners now signed up. You get updated with all the latest videos and any webinars or courses that I'm running. Thank you very much. Okay, really hope you liked that video, and if you did, then please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. Loads more free videos. Look at all the different menu items at the top of the screen here. If you're a teacher and you want to keep up a little bit more with the work I do, we often organize webinars, online courses, etc., then sign up to the newsletter. And if you sign up to the newsletter, there is a free 14-part mini video course in using technology in language teaching, and nearly everything I suggest is free. If you want to take it a little bit further, then think about joining me on Patreon. If you join Patreon, you get extra videos every month with no advertising. I just go straight into the training, lots of ideas about how you can use the technologies in the class with your students, and you also get the chance to meet me online once a month for some direct training, and that's a real opportunity for you to practice using the technologies with me. And finally, if you want to go even further, join me on my very popular course, Technologies and Approaches to Blended, Hybrid and Online Teaching. I do that in collaboration with NILE, that is the Norwich Institute for Language Education, a very prestigious organisation in the UK. And that course has been running for many years and is very popular. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave a few more videos on the screen now that you might find useful.